in here? Any conquerors in the house? Yeah. Just the other day, oh yeah, yeah. How many overcomers do we have today? Listen. Just the other day I was going through my trial, didn't know if I would make it out. Heard a voice say unto me, you have the victory, you know what to do. And sing your praise, I feel a breakthrough coming. In my praise, how I'm gonna make it over. In my praise, victory is mine. It's alright, it's in my praise. For I am an overcomer. My breakthrough is in my praise. I am an overcomer. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my praise. I am an overcomer. Yeah, 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 yeah. My praise. I am an overcomer. Here's a do. Your money's falling short. What will I do to make it through? Will I give it up, throw in the towel? Then I remember He will provide. It's in my praise, I feel a breakthrough coming. In my praise, I'm gonna make it over. In my praise, victory is mine. It's alright, it's in my praise. For I am an overcomer. Any overcomers in here? My breakthrough is in my praise. I am an overcomer. Oh, yeah. My praise. Oh, my praise. I am an overcomer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My praise. I am an overcomer. Yeah, my breakthrough is my praise. Praise. Come on. Praise. Anybody know your breakthrough is in your praise? Praise. Praise. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your breakthrough is in your praise. Your praise. Your praise. Your breakthrough is in your praise. Oh, I am an overcomer. I am an overcomer, yeah. I am an overcomer, yeah. I don't care what I'm going through. I am an overcomer. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world, yeah.